Finally, the countdown has been started. Only and only 25 days are left within your hand, and I can say the last 25 days in your entire school life career. That means in this particular 25 days, whether you can become a hero or a zero, the decision is yours. While the tips, the tricks, the questions, the important everything which I am going to share, each and everything will be of worth for your people. So without making a delay, let us start the amazing session where you people can score 95% in the last 25 days. People, it's not a fact, it's not a story, it's not a rumor. Yes, my dear most children, you can score 90% plus, 95% plus. If you did not start your preparation, you can score 95% plus. If you are a student of 60 to 70%, you can score 95% plus. If you are a student of 90%, definitely you people can score 95% plus. If the student, if you have scored in case of semester 1 60%, 70%, 80%, you people can score 95%, and after doing all lots of average, you people can come nearby 90% to it. My dear most children, let us start an amazing session where I have bought a lots of free PDFs for your people. Each and every topics I am going to discuss, each and every subject I am going to discuss. Without making any delay, let us start the amazing session, which is none other than 90% in 25 days. People, you can score. I guarantee you can score, but you have to apply, you have to go into the strategy, you have to make your timetable, you have to make all kind of scenario clear, which I will be letting you know. So as you know or not, I don't know people, so let me introduce myself. That I have recently joined Unacademy platform, where I have been giving all kind of free classes at 2 p.m. I repeat, I have been giving all kind of free classes at 2 p.m. Please do join the Telegram, where you people can get all kind of important question in maths, physics, chemistry, biology, geography, everything. Even I have been discussing in case of Telegram platform. And for more details, please do join the WhatsApp link as well as Telegram. And every day at 2 o'clock I am taking all kind of sessions. Do not forget to join the session 2 o'clock tomorrow, where I will be talking about circle, where I will be discussing all kind of PYQs in one short circle. If you are having a lots of problem in case of circle, do join tomorrow at sharp 2 p.m. circle. The link has been given in the description below. The first link, that is all about the link of Unacademy, where you people can directly hit it at the 2 p.m. and after that I will be in front of you. For more details, you can use my code MALLICK Malik 10, and if you want to get any kind of subscription, you people can get it, and you people can get flat 10% discount. Clear? Let us start the amazing session. And yes, in case of Unacademy also, you people can download PDF free cost. That means free PDF. There also you can download it, the free PDF, animation, without animation PDF. Even you people can watch the recording lectures also. My dear most children, you can watch the recording lecture also. Suppose for an example, you missed the live session, many, and also I have discussed a lot how to do map, many more I have discussed. The link has been given in the description below. Please do check it out clearly, as well as you people can do watch the recording lectures also. Let us start the amazing session, and let me take the first, that is all about English language. To score 40 out of 40 in case of English language is very easy, because this time you know every question. That means 20 mark is reserved. That is all about essay. No one generally gives 40 out of 40 in English grammar, English language, but you can score more than 35. Essay 20 mark plus, the 20 mark का आता है, in which you people can score 15 plus. And I would like to recommend picture based question, picture based essay you have to do. Now you might be thinking, sir, picture based we are getting a lots of problem. Why? And if you are facing lots of problem picture based, don't get any kind of worried. Link has been given in the description box. In case of Unacademy, you can click the link and you can watch how can you handle all kind of picture based question, and you can download the notes which I have mentioned in the description box. Then after format, letter format, notice format, email format, each and everything I have put in the description box, and which I have taken the live classes from the Unacademy children. Do not forget to to join the Telegram for more details. Coming to that means 35 plus scoring in English grammar is very easy. Notice writing format pata hona chahiye, let test format notice writing you people might be knowing, and I have given the PDF of that. Even letter writing, even essay writing, this is all about the scenario. Clear email writing, this is all about the scenario. Coming to the SST part, English literature, I want to skip it because I will be saying English literature at the end. Coming to the SST part, in case of geography, you people should have a lots of knowledge in case of map of India. If you don't have any kind of knowledge in the map of India, please do download the map of India from the description box and get the best benefits of that. Every remedy I have come for you people, get benefits, download from the description box, even put and even give a lots of time, invest lots of time in case of map of India, where you people can score 10 out of 10 for sure. And many people that doesn't know how to give colors. River, Andaman Sea, lakes, blue in color, mountain, brown in color. You have to comment right there. Red color कहाँ पे होता है? Cities में होता है, population में होता है. You have to comment right there. Even for more details, I have taken the special classes on Unacademy. Please do watch it out. If not, please do download the link where I have talked about which kind of color, where to put and what to put. And people, only 20 to 25 number of location you have to remember. 10 out of 10 is sure. Cut, copy, paste you people will be getting in case of geography. Coming to the rest part of 30, my dear most children, scoring 90% is very easy. Padna kya? Golden quadrilateral. Transportation is a common sense chapter. You people can write it on. Advantages of ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, ओनली रीडिंग लगा देना है, खत्म हो जाएगा. ज्योग्राफी में खाली रीडिंग लगाना है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में खत्म होगा. पीपल दैट ऑल्सो आई हैव कम विद द सेशन. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इग्नोर करता हूं. देन आफ्टर मेनी पीपल द थिंक सर मिनरल रिसोर्सेज इज वेरी इजी. इफ यू पीपल आर फॉलोइंग गोयल बुक, again you don't have any kind of answer. I have bought the answer from the toppers. Link has been given in the description box. Please do download it. सब कुछ remedy I have come, each and every remedy I have come with it. All the solution I have come with it. And if not, go to the comment section where I have pinned it. You can get all kinds of link over there. Clear children? All kind of link you can get from the comment section also. Clear? That means if you are following Goyal brothers book, Goyal Prakashan, right? And you people can download it. Excuse me. If you are Meena Bhargava, if you people are following geography Meena Bhargava, you people can definitely download the link which has been given in the description box. Mineral. Coming to the, if you people thinking that sir we can handle industries as well as mass management, the choice is yours. How to keep 40 out of 40, the link has been given in the description box as well as I button. You people can watch it out. How to keep 40 out of 40 in case of geography. Coming to the history and civics, please invest lots of time in case of exercise question. Exercise question is somehow which will play a vital role in case of history and civics. Not a single year it went away. You can ask your brother and sister. Single year it went away without exercise question. Please invest lots of time in the exercise question summary, right? And the UP people, Delhi people, Karnataka people, Odisha people, they used to follow study aid. They used to follow study aid. If you have study aid, well and better. If you don't have any kind of study aid, please do arrange it. If not, don't get any kind of worry. Please complete a summary exercise question, and I can guarantee you again, you people can score 40 out of 40. Is a very easy task for the geography. Last 25 days left for your examination. Coming to all kind of chemistry, again I am saying chemistry starting with the metallurgy, all kind of sulfuric acid, nitric acid, ammonia, and hydrogen chloride, organic chemistry. Each and every notes I have provided in the description box. People, please do watch it. And how can you score 40 out of 40? Make sure you should complete organic chemistry. Clear? Make sure you can organic chemistry clear, where you people can get more than 10 to 15 marks, near about 10 to 15 marks. And for more details, I have made a one shot video of organic chemistry. The link has been given in the description box as well as comment section. Please do watch it out. Organic chemistry is very, very important. People, organic chemistry, you have to watch it out. Even I have talked everything in simple words. If you don't understand organic chemistry, you can join the same in Unacademy classes, Unacademy platform. There also I have made organic chemistry, very easy for your people. Take the PDF of inorganic chemistry from the Unacademy app, or else from here also, link has been given in the description box. Coming to the nitric acid, sulfuric acid, very easy, you people can handle it. Remember, even I can say invest lots of time in case of metallurgy, invest lots of time in case of metallurgy, where you people can get 6 to 8 marker question. अगर metallurgy organic chemistry तुम कर लिए, तुम्हें कोई हरा नहीं सकता. 20 प्लस तो पक्का मिल ही जाएगा. 20 प्लस का मतलब 20 प्लस, that is all about 25 plus, I can say that. And rest everything will be coming from exercise question, exercise solution. Exercise solution means, I can say, my dear most children, each and everything you will be getting from exercise questions. Exercise means hydrogen chloride, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, ammonia, everything you will be getting from exercise question in test question from the conscience Selena. Exercise questions in test questions from the conscience Selena. Now you might be thinking, sir, we don't have answers. Again, I have come with the remedy, people. If you don't have answers, download from the description box or else comment section. There I have posted each and everything. Please do download the notes, including the exercise question, each and everything based on reduced syllabus. Clear, children? Coming to all kind of physics, current electricity. If you are poor in current electricity, I have made a video, one shot. People, you can watch it out. I have made all kind of lectures. You can people watch it out. Even in case of electromagnetism, important question also I have talked about. Important question in case of electromagnetism. Even I have talked about, one shot video also, calorimetry, everything I have discussed over there, as well as I have taken a session in the Unacademy. The link has been given in the description box, as well as children in the comment section. And for more details, if you want any kind of notes, sir, we want notes. If you want notes, why you are getting any kind of worried, again go to the description as well as comment section. You people can get it easily, everything. Clear, children? Let us start. Again, sound, please invest a lots of time in case of sound radioactivity, where you people can easily get a very good number of marks, right? That is 10 plus mark for sure. Again, not only that, but also I'm talking about children. If you people are facing any kind of issues in case of calorimetry, please do not face you're facing in case of electricity, numericals, how to handle, give a lots of time to the electromagnetism. Now you people might be thinking, sir, electromagnetism we did not understand. If you did not understand electromagnetism, सब कुछ देख ही लो, पढ़ भी लो, important question कर भी लो. Everything I have talked in Unacademy classes as well as PDF. If not, I have talked about in the YouTube session also. People, please give a lots of time to the 25 days, the last 25 days left for your examination. Please give a lots of time to this, which I have talked about. For more details, the link has been given, the I button, description, everything you people can do. Watch it out according to the chronological serial order. Clear? Coming to the biology, invest a lots of time. If you want to score 40 out of 40 in bio, please complete all kind of exercise question. If you are following conscience Selena, complete all conscience Selena. Complete all kind of exercise question in case of conscience Selena. Conscience Selena exercise questions, right? As well as name the following, give function of nervous system, sense organ functions, name the following. Even MCQ it is there, MCQ 10 marks, where all kind of MCQ will be coming from the Goyal. If you are following Goyal, if you are following Constant Selena, please give a lots of importance to the MCQ functions, fill in the blanks, give reasons, even definition, even define the term, even distinguish between each and everything. You have to give, you have to invest lots of time in the exercise question. अगर एक बच्चा exercise question अगर सबको मिलाओ, करीबन मुझे 350 प्लस मिलेगा. सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम, सेंस ऑर्गन, नर्वस सिस्टम, एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम, अगर सबको मिलाओ करीबन 350 प्लस. क्वेश्चन कितना आएगा बेटा पता है तुम्हें? एवरी क्वेश्चन इफ आई विल बी कैलकुलेटिंग कोल क्वेश्चन, करीबन 30 क्वेश्चन आई विल बी गेटिंग, इंक्लूडिंग 10 MCQs. Including 10 MCQs, where the question will be coming, the question will be coming from exercise question only. People, do not forget in the semester 1 also the question was from exercise only. Do complete all kinds of exercise. 97-95% is confirmed. Pretty clear. You people can rock it out. You people can rock it out, children. Coming to the mathematics, maths. Even I have made a separate video for it. Link has been given in the I button as well as description box. Please do watch it out. Mathematics and maths give a lots of time to the reflection, probability, statistics. उन तीनों को बहुत सारा टाइम दो बेटा, because क्यों? why I have talked about in the earlier session, though the video will get lengthy. Please give a lots of time in case of mathematics. Even I have taken the Unacademy session classes also. The link has been given in the description box. Please do join over there, do watch it out. And special, everything was free. That means each and everything what I have talked over here, each and everything is free. You do not have to pay anything in case of Unacademy. No payment, nothing else, only free classes is available. Please children, do watch it out. It's an appeal. Please do watch it out and get the benefits, people. Only I can give everything free. Apart from that, I can advise you people. Now it's a time to make all kind of 25 days strategy, 25 days hard, make the timetable, make your routine, wake up early, start reading everything. Remember, if you can complete all kind of exercise question, only exercise, 90% guarantee, 90% guarantee. Each and everything is given in the description box as well as comment section. Please do watch it out, and do not forget to join the entire session of Unacademy at 2 o'clock. Every day I will be taking the session at 2 o'clock, but Thursday I will be not taking. I will be informing in Telegram as well as WhatsApp group. Please join the WhatsApp group, Telegram, and for more details I will be updating you there where I will be taking sessions, the time, each and everything. Even for more details, do subscribe, because I never said to subscribe, people, right? Because if you will not subscribe, because you cannot see the community tab where I used to put the sessions, the live session of the Unacademy. I never say that please do subscribe and all. अगर तुम बच्चों को अच्छा लगेगा तो subscribe करे बिना जाओगे ही नहीं, right? So matter is not about subscription, children. Matter is all about community tab. Do check it out, the community tab in the regular interval where I used to put I used to inform the timing of Unacademy. Everything is free. People, do this one strategy. No one gonna beat you. No one can beat you. Even your parents, your teachers, your mentor, no one can beat you. Even you people can score 90% for sure. People, you can score 90% guarantee. No one can scroll it if you can apply this. Last 25 days, forget everything, only 25 days, make use of it. If you don't know anything, put a comment section which kind of video you want, which kind of lecture you want, put in a comment section. If possible, I'll try myself harder to come live. If not, I will be bringing the recording lectures for you people. Signing off for the today, coming stronger in the next session. Do not forget to join the Unacademy. Do not forget to join the live session, which is generally commencing from 2 o'clock, ending at 3 o'clock. Thank you very much. God bless.